guys, what is up? It's 𝔈𝔬𝔬𝔬 and today we're going to be doing a sun-kissed look. It's going to be really pretty. We're going to be using some new stuff that Anastasia has sent me the past two packages. We're mixing the Alyssa Edwards palette with the summer pigments, or the bridal collection, whatever you like to call it. And I might throw in a little bit of body oil as well, because I haven't worn that in a little bit. So yeah, so I guess let's just dive in. Okay, so before we add any eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the new eye primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I might just apply it, I'm going to apply it on my lid, maybe use a brush, my finger to apply it. Okay, so we're going to be using the Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I want to play on some of the neutral shades in it, because I already did a look for the colorful shades in here, so I want to do some neutral shades. And we're going to be diving into the shade The Supreme. Kind of like a peachy, orangish kind of color. It's more peachy than anything, but I'm going to apply a little bit of it. And we might even use the shade Headliner to kind of blend it out as well, to kind of transition it. So I'm applying it kind of like on the outer corners, like the outer areas of my crease, and blend it out kind of up towards my brow bone a little bit. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm using the palette again, and we're going to be using the shade H.O.E. And we're going to apply it like in the same general area where I had just previously applied the eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna get a little brush with the palette, and I'm just gonna apply it kind of like my crease and blend it out just a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. And yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the shade Back Rolls, which is this brown shade right here. And I'm going to apply it like kind of like on the outer corner and the inner corner a little bit, and blend it inwards, a little bit upwards into the crease, so that way like these parts will be darker, if that makes sense. Further, I want to add the Supreme onto the bottom of my eye, like underneath my eye. And I'm just going to apply it and then blend it out very little. And probably, I'm going to add a little bit of white to like kind of like transition it out, I guess. Okay, so next we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pigments. And these are the brand new ones for the summer collection that they had sent me recently a while back. We're going to be using the shade Desert on the lid. And I might wet my brush a little bit with setting spray, I mean, we'll see, or like rose water. Yeah, we're going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A4 brush. Okay, so next I'm using the pigment in the shade Sand. And I'm going to apply that kind of like on the center of my crease, and also on the inner corners a little bit to kind of give it inner corner highlight. Okay, so next I'm applying some white eyeliner onto my waterlines. Use whatever brand you want. I don't even know what this is. I got this like a long time ago. But yeah. Okay, so next I'm adding Baby Bats Beauty Midnight Mascara onto my eyelashes. Also, I forgot to mention that Baby Bat Beauty, I do have a discount code for this website, so make sure you check the description down below and have a link to the website and my discount code as well listed down below. You get 20% off purchase. You can get this mascara, you can get their eyeshadows, you can get whatever you want. They have a bunch of like awesome products. Okay, so we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy Love Brush Trio. And I've been loving this a lot. I like it because orange. It has a bunch of like orangey shades in it. And it's really cute. I think it also looks really cute for like sun-kissed looks. I don't know. I don't know why I just fell in love with like orange blush recently. So I like it a lot. I had to apply it to where I look like I'm sunburnt a little bit, or like a little sun-kissed. You know, we like to go for a faux sunburn here, you know. But anyway, so I'm gonna be applying Miami on like kind of like all over my face. Y'all see, and I might mix in a little bit of these two as well. Might just get like all over the brush, swirl it all in there. But I'm gonna apply it like around here, on my nose, and over here. It's like basically like a line over here, and blend it out as well. So yeah. And before I forget my brows, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Granite Brow Powder Duo. And I'm gonna be using this little brush. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills number 15 brush. It's really skinny and tiny. I think it's perfect, especially for like drawing on like individual hairs on the brows. I'm gonna try to go for like a more natural look, like natural brow look today. So like, you know how like usually I do like my goth brows, like the straight up black. But yeah, I mean this is pretty much black. I might add a little bit of what is this called? The Dipbrow pomade a little bit, towards the ends maybe, and then I'm gonna set the hairs down with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Okay, so next we're diving into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cocktail Party Blush Trio, but we're going to be using the shade Vegas for freckles actually. And also I might be diving a little bit back into the Peachy Love palette, and I think I'm probably be diving into the shade here called Nectarine. The brush I'm using is this, what is this? The Swish brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I kind of just swirl my brush around in the blush and then do like random like little dots. And after I apply some dots, I kind of like press it in my finger to like make it fade out a little bit more, so that way it look a little bit more natural. And I do like a bunch, and I do them like randomly, some of them bigger than others, some smaller than others, you know, and I just press them in after that. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Guava, and this is one of the new ones that they had sent me from their summer collection. It's really tiny and cute. I like it. I like mini size makeup things, so yeah. Beautiful myself, but I want to add a little bit of lip gloss for more shine, and we're going to be using the shade Freya from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a golden color and it has gold reflex in it. Okay, so last but not least, we're applying some eyelashes, and these are from Mimi Artistry, and they are in the style Amelia. And I think these will go perfect with this look. I like these lashes. They're kind of like separated. I don't know, like that. I don't know. They're like fluffy yet like kind of like separated. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But they're really beautiful. I like these. I had one of these in a giveaway and I just love them. I swear if these ever break on me, I'll have to buy another pair because these have become my favorite. So I almost forgot one more step in my makeup, but I'm gonna apply this highlighter onto my face, and this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in Sunset Aura. I just can't get over how cute this packaging is. It's beautiful. And I almost completely forgot one more step, but I want to apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills body oil, the Shimmer body oil that I had just recently came out with, and I'm super excited. Check out this packaging. Okay, so here it is. Let's get it out. Alrighty, I don't like to use a lot of it because I want to make this last. Okay, so I'm going to be doing like 2 sprays, maybe like 1, 2, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe 2 sprays, I don't know, we'll figure it out. And also I'm going to use this brush to like kind of blend the glitter out. This is from Morphe. I'm not sure what number it is. I have a number in it, but it's a pretty thick brush. I think it might be like a big foundation brush. I'm not sure, but I use it specifically for this kid's big. I think it's perfect for like the body, especially like spreading glitter around. So yeah. Okay, so that is finally it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to make it as quick as I could. This is actually a pretty easy makeup look to do. I didn't do like a cut crease or anything, but like I kind of like did like a faux cut crease with the pigments. You can like totally, it's really easy. All you do is like wet your brush with setting spray or maybe water, and it just glided on like really easily. This body oil I like. It's actually pretty comfortable. It's a little bit oily at first, but it'll eventually dry. Oh my god, my contact's coming out. But it'll eventually dry, and it's really beautiful. The glitter can get on your clothes, but I think once it dries up, it kind of sits still. So it's totally fun mixing up the 2 past PR packages, past 2 releases from Anastasia, and just putting them together in one look. Of course, I created like a more neutral look today with the Alyssa Edwards palette, just to show you guys that you actually can create something neutral with the palette, even though there's like brights in it. There's also neutrals in it. You can also mix them together. I was thinking doing like a look where I mix the 2 together, like a neutral and a bright. I don't know, we'll see. So make sure you do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'll have all my links down below or also on the screen. Make sure you do follow me on those. Usually I post like sneak peeks of my videos are coming out, or I'll post like stuff that doesn't go up on YouTube and other stuff. So yeah, make sure you check that out. Make sure you give this video a like and comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about this look. Tell me if you can try it, or if you have tried any of these products I used in this video and how you liked them. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content coming up in the future. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's look. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!